Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Study Squad. It is 8 a.m., which means it is time for your daily dose of vocabulary with me. The session is going to be under 10 minutes, and the words you're going to see here are taken from the Hindu. So, if you have yet not subscribed to our channel, make sure to do so. And do not forget to hit on that tiny bell near it so that every day when the session comes, you all get notified. With that being said, let's start this session and let's discuss the first word for today. The first word that we're going to discuss today is feud. Feud means an angry and serious argument between two people or groups that continues over a long period of time. Say, I and another person has an argument with each other or a very serious, angry discussion, and we tend to extend it for a longer period. So we do not resolve it there and we are extending it over a longer period of time. That time we refer to as a feud. Okay. The sentence here says she became involved in a long and bitter feud with her neighbors. So she got into an argument with her neighbor and that extended for a longer period of time. The synonyms here are dispute, quarrel, altercation, and brawl. Here, altercation and brawl are different and we'll star mark both of them, so pay extra attention on them. And the antonym here is harmony or peace. Next word for us is ouster. Ouster means dismissal or expulsion from a position. So if you're expelled from your current position, then you're ousted from that position. Here the image will make it very clear. Here you could see we have Sheikh Hasina in the image, right? Sheikh Hasina was the PM of Bangladesh and then she got expelled from the position that she was in. So she was ousted from that position. Because of this, what we saw that the relationship between India and Bangladesh got ruined and whatever was built in a longer duration of time has come to an halt here, and actually it's basically now degrading or it's a downfall from here. So we need to make a lot of changes. Coming back to the word that we were discussing, the sentence here says the public outcry led to the ouster of the corrupt politician from office. So the corrupt politician was removed from the office when the public decided to revolt against it. The synonyms here are expulsion, extradition, displacement, and deportation. Okay, and the antonym here is appoint. Next word for us is collusion. Collusion means secret agreement, especially in order to do something dishonest. So you get into a secret agreement with somebody and you both are planning to do something dishonest here. The sentence will make it very clear. It says the drugs were brought into the country with the collusion of custom officials. So the custom officials got into a secret agreement with the dealers, because of which the drugs were brought into the country. Okay, the synonyms here are conspiracy, complicity, connivance, and chickenry. Okay, so last two are different and important, so I'm star marking both of them. The antonym here is public, so there is no secret agreement. Whatever is there is in front of the public eye. Next word for us is iconoclast. Iconoclast means a person who does not believe in and is opposed to accept the ideas, the traditions, etc. So whatever is going on, that person is not going to believe that. Okay, whatever previous traditions that are going on, okay, or beliefs that have been there in the society, they are not going to accept them just because somebody said it. So they are not going to believe it and they're going to oppose them basically here. Okay, the sentence here says he remains an iconoclast even within his own party and his legislative proposals tend to go nowhere. Okay, synonyms here is maverick, bohemian, individualist, and eccentric. Here all the synonyms are important. Okay, all of them are very different, so make sure to focus on all of them individually. The antonyms here are conformer, you have conformist, you have a believer, and a conservative. Next word for us is circumspect. Circumspect means thinking very carefully about something before you do it because you think it may involve problems or dangers. So you're skeptical about something, that something might not work out. There could be dangers or problems related to it. So you're going to think very carefully about it before you do it. Okay, the sentence here says they were circumspect, typically observing the dog from a distance. So they were observing the dog from a distance because they thought that it could lead to some danger. So they were carefully watching it before doing anything. The synonyms here are cautious, careful, wary, and chary here. And the antonym here is careless. Next is the word for the day, which is moot. In the previous session, we already discussed it. So let's see how many of you remember this. So you're going to tell me the meaning of this particular word and also the synonyms and the antonyms related to it, okay? In the comment section. Please do participate. It actually shows that you are interested in this session as well. Lastly, I would like to say that if you did like it, make sure to hit the like button. I know it might not mean a lot to you guys, but it will mean a lot to me. And in the comments, answer the question that we asked. If you have any other feedback related to the session, make sure to mention it in the comment section. And lastly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. For the PDF, you can find it on our Telegram channel. So there you could join and you can get the PDF of this particular session. Also, we conduct a lot of quizzes, we conduct a lot of discussions, and your day-to-day current affairs are also there. So if you want to be part of that, make sure to join our Telegram channel. With that being said, I'll end the session here. Thank you for watching.